Hi everyone, and today I'm going to tell you how to use Wacom PenTablet on your PC or laptop. So I just purchased this PenTablet and I'll be showing you how can you use it on your laptop. So let's guys remove, just open the box and take out our PenTablet. So first of all, on the top you will find this Wacom PenTablet with this packaging, and at the bottom guys you will find red color and with details, and at the top you have a writing area. So that's our writing area. Let me keep it aside. The next thing you will find in the box is the data cable, the cable that you will have that will connect your pen tablet to your laptop or a PC, and then you will have this pen. So pen is a quite lightweight. It has not the best quality material, and also it has a Wacom branding at the top. So because since guys it is a batteryless pen, that's why guys it will be the good thing to have, because it just remove the headache of removing or inserting batteries whenever it drains. So that's the best part about it. And also guys, you will find some manuals and papers inside the box, and these guys extra nibs and the tool that will help you to remove nibs from your pen, and also help you to insert the extra nib whenever it just used completely. So now guys, once you done with this, let's connect our pen tablet with our PC. So the problem is right now with me, I have two only USB ports on my laptop, and I'm using one USB port for mic and one USB port for the webcam. So I need to remove webcam now to use pen tablet. So I have this limitation, so I'm going to remove my webcam now. So now I'm connected with my guys integrated webcam on my laptop. So I'm going to use it for this video purpose. Now guys, I'm going to use guys the online whiteboard, because I have used all the Microsoft whiteboard, but I'm not satisfied with the performance of Microsoft whiteboard. I have used the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Note as well, but in OneNote guys, there is one problem. Whenever you're trying to write guys, your scroll bar will be blinking every time when you touch your pen with your pen tablet. And in case of guys MS Word, or if you use on my PowerPoint the pen tablet, whenever trying to use pen guys, it makes your pointer, it will make your pointer to a very small dot, which is very hard to guys explain anything whenever you use pen tablet with these Microsoft soft applications. So I just found a very useful whiteboard online. So let me show you what is that. So that is it's a guys whiteboard, or webwhiteboard.com, you can search for it. And as you can see that I have solved some equations over here, my educational channel. So right now guys, as you can see that that's how it looks. So now I'm going to use my pen tablet. So the dot area on your pen tablet is actually represent your writing area. The dot area on your pen tablet, the dots represent the writing area on your pen tablet. So now you have to identify the writing area on for your PC screen. And you must be thinking, if you have already purchased that, if you purchase the smallest size of your pen tablet, you must have a doubt that is this enough size for your writing or writing on PC. So guys, generally I'm using this pen tablet for 3 months now, and I have no such issue. So whenever you trying to guys write anything on your PC using pen tablet, this area is quite enough. So right now let me identify the area, and that's the area guys. You just need to mark, you can mark it, but it is not necessary. You just need to keep focus on your pointer whenever you're writing. Don't look at the pen tablet whenever you're writing. So I'm going to guys right now So let's write something here. So I'm going to solve, or I'm going to write a sentence here. This pen tablet is one of the best pen tablet available for teaching. As you can see, writing is quite good, and whenever trying to write, it not gives you guys the natural pen paper writing, but it's quite worth guys using it for your PC. So it's better to use pen tablet for this purpose. And as you can see that, and also guys, if you can see that you can use the pointer to explain anything on your screen. Like if I solve some equation, x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 6. So if I solve this equation, so we will have 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10 upon my 2, and we will get 5, and y will be 6 minus 5, which is 1. Now you can explain anything by just using this pointer. So whenever you hover over your pen tablet, whenever you just move, don't touch the pen. Whenever you touch your pen with your pen tablet, it start writing. But whenever you keep close your pen to your pen tablet but not touching it, it's basically moving your cursor. As you can see, it's moving a cursor. So using this hovering over the pen tablet, guys, you can use it for the explaining anything. Like you can explain, this pen tablet is one of the best pen tablet available for teaching. You can use a pointer to explain anything on your PC. So that's how you can make it. And if you want to record anything, you can use OBS for this purpose. Right now, as you can see, let me use now the display features to show. Let me show you. So now you must be seeing the OBS software I'm using right now, and that's how it looks. So you can guys use this OBS feature to record anything on your PC. And so basically, whenever you open the OBS software, first time you will say this scene and source with 0 sources. So you have to guys click on this add button over here, and first of all you have to choose guys the video capture device. And in video capture device, you have to choose your camera for the webcam. So right now I'm using integrated webcam. You can choose it. And now for the showing window you are using for writing, you can tap on click on again add button and choose the window capture. So when you choose the window capture, it will create a window source, and you have to choose which window you want to show on your recording. So you can choose it from here by tapping on it, and you can adjust, you can keep anything anywhere. I'm keeping this my webcam here, and you can also resize it guys. You can also crop it by using alt button. Press alt, hold the alt button, and you can crop it right away like this. I can crop it to any size. And you can guys also transform your any window by right clicking on it. If you are new to this, that's why I'm telling you guys, if you are new to this, you can watch it, as if you know about it, you can skip this part. So now you can guys start your recording. So that's how you can teach things on your PC or a laptop. I just hide the display capture. I'm just using Windows capture right now, and in Windows capture I'm capturing the Chrome browser. Fine. And you can also guys, since the browser has extra parts, you can also remove it. So you can just hold the alt button and just crop the extra part from your, and you can keep things like this. Now you can explain anything. So that's how you can guys that's how you can teach anything on laptop by using webcam, Wacom PenTablet. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.